Hi, my name is Archie from NoteForms. Do you know that you can add a password or secret input field to your forms? Let me show you an example. So here we have the operational data log. You already have the other fields filled out, such as the name, department, and the notes, and the sensitive entry field where we will add a code. So let's add a code now. But as you see, it's already masked and protected. And we can click submit. And once we go to our form, just click on the Notion database button, and you will be routed to the Notion database. Notion forms are good. It's straightforward and easy to use, and it will offer you basic form features. However, it doesn't have advanced features such as the password or secret input field, which will provide you the option to make your passwords secured and protected while your users are entering sensitive information using your form. And this is where NoteForms really stands out. So now let me walk you through on how to add a password input field to your form. So let's create a new form. And here we have the option to use an existing Notion database, use AI to generate the form, create from scratch, or use our existing templates. So here we'll use the AI form builder for convenience and add a prompt that we already prepared and click generate. So it's 2 seconds generating the form fields, structuring the form at 7 seconds, organizing layout at 12 seconds, setting up the form structure, it's optimizing user experience. We're almost there at less than 30 seconds. Okay, just more than 30 seconds, we already have our form created. So it's the operational data log. So we have the sensitive entry field here. It's the password input field. It's not yet enabled, but we will do that later. We have the team member name, department role, and additional details. So to mask and make this a secret input or a password input field, all we need to do is go to settings and enable secret input under text options. And you'll see whenever we enter something here, it will be masked and protected. Alternatively, you can also add a password input field by clicking add block and selecting password input on the right side. And as easy as that, just click publish form, select the Notion page where this database will be created. So in this case, I'll add it on my own Notion page, and then save form, and okay. And there you go, as easy as that, we already have our form created with the secret input or password input field. Hopefully this video helps, but if you still have questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to us via our live chat support and we'll be happy to answer your questions. Again, my name is Archie and thank you so much for supporting NoteForms.